People often wonder this time of year if there's something that they should be doing to protect their small trees and shrubs from winter injury, particularly winter burn, which is when certain evergreens, especially those with broad leaves, such as hollies or pieris or rhododendron, dry out because of the harsh winter winds in a process known as desiccation. Now, the best way to protect your plants from winter injury is to select plants that are hardy to your zone. A plant's hardiness is often found on its tag at purchase, but if not, it's really easy to look it up on the internet, which is also where you would find in which hardiness zone you reside. Now, if you have a plant in your landscape that's marginally hardy to your area, the next best thing would be plant it in a spot where it's not bearing the brunt of full exposure. Certain ways you can do that is by planting them in groups, or you can plant it amongst other plants to give it some shelter, or even near a structure. Just make sure that you're still meeting that plant's requirement for sunlight and space to grow. Now, let's say that you have a marginally hardy plant that is fully exposed to the winter elements. You can create a temporary buffer or a wind block using a variety of materials. Burlap is a popular choice. Now, the goal here is to diffuse the wind and keep the foliage from drying out. It is not to keep the plant warm. So don't bother wrapping it tightly or bundling it up with a bunch of material. Instead, drive some stakes into the ground near the plant and attach the burlap to the stakes, creating a temporary windbreak. Now, prior to winter weather, there are a number of methods that you can employ to help your evergreen endure the winter winds, such as making sure that your plants are getting enough water. The lack of moisture is something that we typically associate with summer heat, but it plays a major role in winter burn and desiccation. So in the fall, before winter weather comes, take the time to check on your plants, especially your broadleaf evergreens, to make sure that they are adequately watered. And a nice layer of mulch will help to insulate the plant's roots from the cold, as well as regulate moisture loss.